today we're live here at Busch Gardens Tampa. I'm actually here to test out this new action camera I got, the Osmo Pocket 4. Or not Pocket 4, the Osmo Action 4. It's supposed to be good in low light, but then these rod techs, they have low light situations, so I don't have to worry about that this park. I'm gonna head into the kiosk, and after that I'll get in the line to get inside the park. I remain inside the Busch Gardens. Now we're gonna straight to Iron Gwazi because I feel like rope dropping Gwazi today. This is not a good time. The chain lift for Gwazi is actually not running. So I can go up to Gwazi and just check what's going on. Gwazi chain lift just started running and the 5-minute wait, so I'll see you guys when I'm on the ride. I'm actually surprised this actually isn't really a 5-minute wait. Holy crap.
It's easy to hold your hands up all the way. It's the front, in the back. In the back, it's harder.
It is. The one that's hard to hold your hands up to begin with is Montu.
Okay, what?
It's on Montu. It's hard to ride. Put your hands up in general on that thing.
Yeah, Montu is a fun ride.
It's not really when you go like that or anything.
I put my hands up all over the place.
Hey, Meta.
Have you ever been to Cedar Point?
No, I'm going there next year.
Cedar Point, this is called
Steel Bended.
Steel Maverick.
Oh.
And it's like this except it's longer. A longer ride.
Really? I like it better than probably.
I fear nothing.
Same here.
Woo!
Yeah! That was fun as normal. I actually enjoyed it quite a bit for being early in the day. But next up, I think I'm gonna head over to the Pantopia. I feel like riding in Phoenix Rising. I haven't rode that in a minute, so I feel like riding that right now. We're making our way into Pantopia, so we can go our Phoenix Rising, maybe Falcon's Fury if Falcon's Fury is open. I love Falcon's Fury. Falcon's Fury is open, but I think I'm gonna hit up the Phoenix Rising first, honestly, because that's I haven't rode in a while. I rode the last time I was here. I haven't seen Phoenix Rising testing yet. Or started yet, so hopefully it's actually running. If not, I'll run this first over there. Phoenix Rising is open and it looks like the walk-on. Phoenix Rising is very fun. Like I said, I actually enjoy it a lot. I know in the first video I said I like it Montu, but that's because it's my first time riding it. My first time I made the video last time. It's fun, but it's not like drilling like Montu. It's still a fun coaster though, honestly. And let me know how you like the iPhone footage and the DJI Osmo Action 4 footage. I feel like the audio with the DJI mic sounds much better than the Insta360 mics for like the POV videos. That's why I'm really recording this video, to test out this. Now it's time to go on my favorite ride in the park, Falcon's Fury. Maybe not Iron Gwazi is my favorite roller coaster of all time, but this is my favorite ride of all time, it's Falcon Fury.
Ha sido verificado por un asistente. Mantenga su cabeza contra el reposacabezas y mirar hacia adelante. Ahora, siéntate y prepárate para experimentar la furia del falcón.
Soak it in. Alright, I absolutely love Falcon's Fury. I'm so glad I was able to ride that today. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna head up to Serengeti Flyers. Then after Serengeti Flyers, hit up Montu. But I feel like riding Serengeti Flyers because that's another one of those flat rides I really like. It's a fun flat ride and it's just full of airtime. That's why I like the Serengeti Flyers. Same with the Falcon's Fury. It's a fun ride since it's just so drilling. Just go free falling down. We're gonna head over to Serengeti Flyer scene. The Serengeti Post Flyers is only posted at a 5-minute wait, so we're definitely riding it right now. And I hear cheetah hunting in the background, which I have 45-minute wait already last time I checked. So we're gonna head on to the Serengeti Flyers right now. And there's actually no one in the queue, so that means it's probably a walkout moment. The Serengeti Flyers was fun like normal. I'm gonna head over to, I think I'm on Montu or maybe cheetah hunt. I'll find out in a second what I feel like doing. I feel like doing something more drilling than Phoenix Rising. I much as I enjoyed Phoenix Rising, Serengeti Flyers, and Falcon Fury. I feel like doing something more on the drilling side. So I'll check out what I could do. Those that don't know, if you're coming for Serengeti Flyers, if you go near the penguin encounter right over here, and go straight, you could go to the Montu, actually. I actually changed my mind. I think I'm on the, what's the name? The Shikra. I think I'm gonna go on Shikra now instead. Just because I haven't been at the last visit. Because I was more focusing on Christmas stuff the last visit. So I'm gonna go on Shikra now to test ride that. Time to hop on Shikra. It's 5-minute wait. absolutely love Sheikra. That's actually a fun dive coaster. It's very, very fun. I enjoy it a lot. But with that being said, I'm actually gonna end the video now. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel if you like more of the parks content. And write in the comment section, what is your favorite coaster at Busch Gardens Tampa? I'm curious. As normal, see you in the next video. Bye.